Damn, nobody wants to play Sonny. I'll play Sonny. He's my second guy. I should have looked at what map this was. I don't even know. What is this? Family house? Generators over there, okay. Going back to the car battery, y'all. They're up, they're up. Soon she got that done, so I'm gonna go back here and check it though. Not questioning your ability, sissy, just double checking, baby. Oh shoot, I can't even get back there. Oh, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna go check on the battery and then I'm gonna be on the hunt. The hell is the battery? Oh, here it is. Alright, battery's up. That's good. Man, you can't lock that door? Seems like a problem. Grandpa's in danger, y'all. Oh, she's dead. I'm right on her. Bird dogging her. Good job, you fed her right to me. Good news is the front door is trapped too, so. No worries. Oh, I stole it. I'm sorry. Alright. Close that front door if you can. I know. I gotta close that door and redo my trap. I'll run to the back and check the battery, make sure they're not messing around there. Okay. Generator's still good. Alright, I'm going back to the battery, double check that. Grandpa's in danger. She's in the house. She's in the house. I see her. She went out the window again. Damn. Okay. Damn. Y'all keep feeding to me. Hiker needs to eat, baby. I'm sorry, nobody else. Hey, why do I gotta do all the work in this family? Oh, hey, you're right. Feeding Grandpa. Oh, no worries. He can't. Ha ha ha. I don't know if it'd be worse to die from a pocket knife, though. You gotta get stabbed so many times. Alright, down to one, boys. They're in the basement, they're in the basement. I'm gonna stay up here and just kinda... Oh, I guess I could go down. Hold on. I'll go down just in case. Try to get that fourth kill. What? Oh, fighting. Ah, damn it, I was going for 4. All good. GG's, y'all, GG's. The Saw's gotta eat. Hey, that was a good match, guys. Good killing. We're eating good tonight. GG's, y'all. They just kept jumping out that window right to me. GG's, y'all. GG's. Follow me on Twitch, GW Viper, Tim's Nerd Stuff and Comedy on YouTube.